controllers, post controller. There we go. So now we said that this method, all right, and we have it here in terminal on the PHP route list. We said that form is going to be executed here. So it's going to the method store. So let's look for that method in the controller. Let's go up, and as you can see, it's right here. So this is where we're going to receive the request, the post super global values. Now, the create, all right, remember that when we go to the create, okay, this is the URI, then this is the name of the route, and it goes to this create method, all right. So now when the user goes to our application, let's open a browser real quick. They go to cms.dev post create. That's where that is going to execute. And this is where we saw that I'm the method that creates stuff, right? That's where this method create is returning data from, right? But now we don't want to do that. Now what we want to do is return a view, right? We already have the view create, so we're gonna put it down here. Then we're gonna put down the name of that view. So post dot, and you can see it right here, create. You see that? Create. So this function view is gonna automatically translate that notation into a /. So that way it will construct the URI for you just by giving it the name. All right, that's what this function view is doing. Of course, you can pass all the parameters there, and we're gonna see that later. But so once we have that set, you can come here and you can refresh, and now you can see that we have that form already. All right, it's nothing big right now because this is just for demonstration purposes only, but later on we're gonna make it really nice. Okay, so anyway, really cool stuff. All right, so let's go, and what's the next step is going to the store method, and I want to show you something here. So I said to you that this method is receiving the post super values, or the post super global values, right? So it's doing this in this request class. Remember that this is an injection here. We're injecting this class and making this a object. So now we got all these methods that we can use from this class here in this variable. All right. So if I say return request all, watch this, and I go and do this, submit, we get all the form data. All right, that's what we do, we get with that. Okay, so now if I want to get a specific input, I can say get, and I can put the name of the input that I want to get, return the data, and watch this, enter. Oops, I gotta go back. The input title. Watch this. So I don't return everything there in that form. I'll return just the title. There we go. Enter. And as you can see, I just returned that value. Okay? And that goes for all the inputs. Now, you can also do something easier. You can also do this. Title. Treat it as a property. Okay? Oops, let's go back. I did the same thing again. Submit, the same thing, okay? I like to use the property like one, like this, all right? And remember, the method all returns everything on that form. All the inputs. Enter. There we go. It doesn't work like that. I tried a couple of times. So it even returns the button name values, all right? Pretty cool stuff, right, guys? Anyway, on the next lecture, what we're gonna do is we're gonna finally create a record so you can see how it works, and we're even gonna do a redirect. All right, so anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.